Do you want to be able to add your credit card as a payment method on Shopify? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do this, but it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step for it to work, just so you know. So actually, to be able to add your credit card as a payment method on your Shopify store, it's pretty easy. What you're going to do firstly is to go into your Shopify store and log into your Shopify account, of course. And as you can see, I have already done so. So the next step to be able to add your credit card as a payment method on your Shopify store, you will need to locate the settings button right here. So locate this settings button. Now click on it. And then you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see, which is great. And now, as you can see, we get a couple of options in here, right here, as you can see. But the one that we're going to click on to be able to add our credit card is right here on billing. So click on billing. And in here, you will be able to see all your payment methods that you have on your Shopify store right now. You can even see what kind of subscriptions that you have. As you can see, for me, it's just a trial right now. But if you have a subscription, then you will be able to see it right here as well. Well, now you want to be able to add your credit card as a payment method, right? So basically what you're going to do is to click on add payment method right here. And as you can see, we get a couple of options. So in here, it says either credit card or PayPal. Of course, we're going to select credit card. And after that, and also, by the way, you need to have your credit card available to you so that you can actually see all of these details right here. As you can see, they will need to have your card number in here. So check your card number and it should be on your card. Basically, you will see like a big amount of numbers. You will need to write all of those numbers right here, and you need to also write when it expires. You will be able to see a date on your card that is expired, basically, or when it expires rather. And CVV number is quite often on the back of your card, so it's like a digit number. So if you turn around your card, then you will be able to see this 3-digit number. As you can see, 3-digit security code usually found on the back of your card. American Express cards have a 4-digit code. So if you have an American Express code, it's going to be 4 digits, but basically you need to write those here as well. And the next step is going to be for us to check right here, country and region. So you need to actually make sure that the country that you have right here is the correct country that you also live in to be able to make this work, just so you know. Then you will need to write your first name and last name, and street and house number, apartment, and if there's like an apartment number, you can of course also write it in here. Then the next step is going to be postal code and city and town. And the reason why they need all of this information, by the way, from you is because you will need to somehow verify these details right here. So that is why you will need to actually write this correctly. And if you get your first orders on Shopify, I think that this is the kind of details that they go after. So when you get your first orders on Shopify, they will need to actually verify your street and house number and stuff like that, so that they can later on pay to your bank. So this details right here is very important. So make sure that you don't neglect those, basically. So this is exactly how to do this. When you have filled all of this correct, you can just basically proceed to going back to, of course, click add credit card in here. Don't forget to do so, and then you can go back to this page right here, and you will be able to see your payment method, and you will be able to see your credit card in here. And that's basically exactly how to do this. So let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also, I wish you the best day.